is very important for the ecosystem to really converge on these 3 points. Identifying our priorities, understanding what kind of science is required to solve the problem, and finally, putting money behind it. We need people who will back the science. And without that, what happens is that the pace of science becomes very, very slow.
And thanks to the entire team of BFI for considering CDRI as their grantee institution.
Of course, this is fueled by our founders, Sandeep Narwal's vision. After the learnings from COVID, he wants to make India a global leader in biomedical and research. These diseases are no longer just limited to Indian population, right? So these have gone beyond. So whatever we develop here will impact globally.
CDRI side, you have our full commitment to addressing the objectives of the respective proposals with focus, integrity, and sustained intellectual.
The history of this institution and what a wonderful contribution CDRI has made to the nation building exercise. And nation building by itself means so many things. From a systems perspective, it is not just doing science, but taking the fruits of science to the doorstep of our own citizens across the world, everybody who is suffering. And I think the core of that is what, as our CEO Gaurav mentioned, is what we want to do.
This is a one-of-a-kind partnership, and this is the first time that CDRI, we have embarked on a journey of funding with a completely different kind of funding agency. So this partnership represents our joint commitment to supporting the deep science that it takes to bring therapies that can impact people.
If there are institutions across India that truly believe in translation, I think this is one of them. How do we strengthen that belief? How do we contribute to your journey as researchers? Is something that our CEO and founder and others are really keen on.
I want to emphasize that in the choice of projects and in this partnership, we are choosing to work on big problems, difficult problems, and using pioneering and novel methods. The understanding both from the funding side and from those who are funded has to be that ultimately a solution or a goal must be achieved, and what comes along the way must be overcome one way or the other.
We're really excited to partner with an institute where translation is your DNA.
We all look forward to this journey together, and thank you very much once again to the entire BFI team.